guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Queen, and in today's video, you guys, I'm bringing you a review. So today's review, guys, will be on a company called Nail Addict. So Nail Addict is an LA city-based company who specializes in selling gel nail polishes and other nail accessories. So first and foremost, before I get into anything else with this video, I'd like to give a special thank you to Nail Addicts for partnering with me in this video today. Because literally this partnership came at just a perfect time, and like further in the video, you guys, you'll find out exactly why I'm saying that. So just again, a special thank you to Nail Addict for partnering with me on this video today. So just a little bit about the company, you guys. Let me let you know about the company's mission, which I really love. So the company's mission is to help all women and men build their confidence. Like no matter who they are, where they come from, that's just what they're here to do. And the way that they're doing this is by giving them the best products, for their nails. Also, some important facts about Nail Addicts is they're manufacturer and they sell like high quality, vegan, 9-free and cruelty-free gel polishes, as well as, like I said before, other nail accessories. On their website, they have, as you'll see, they have over 100 colors to choose from, and they're constantly always adding more. And as well, you guys, they were also kind enough to provide us with a promo code so we could save us some money, and saving money is always good. And they're already like really affordable anyway, especially for the quality of the polishes and everything. So it all works out. So you guys, you're able to save 50% off by using my promo code According to Queen. Now, in order for that promo code to actually work for you guys, you would have to at least make a minimum purchase of at least like 2 polishes or at least 2 products off the site, and you'll receive 50% off. So you guys, just a little bit more about what this video is going to detail. It's going to be me basically demonstrating as like a beginner showing you guys like how I would do like a gel at home set for myself on my natural nails. Like I said early in the video, you'll know a little bit more why I felt like this partnership came right on time, because as I show you guys, I'm just going to tell you about like, like my little struggle with like current nail salons and why I'm like just leaning more towards doing these things for myself these days. So if this is something you guys would like to watch, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and let's just get straight into the video.
Okay, you guys, so they sent me over the base, the top coat, the remover, a color called Original Sin, a color called White Addict, and the last color is Such a Star. Okay, you guys, so let's get into this first color, Such a Star. So Such a Star is, as you see, like this beautiful candy apple colored red. Is absolutely beautiful. And as you see here, the texture of this gel nail polish, you could tell just from like how I'm showing you guys now that the quality is definitely amazing. I definitely can see that just right here, but the color is absolutely beautiful. All right, you guys, so the next color is White Addict. It's definitely giving what it needs to give when it comes to what we are looking for like a white polish. We all know white gel polish is really in, especially on toes. I don't know, but that's definitely the trend right now. So this would definitely be good for at-home pedicure. And last, you guys, our final color is Original Sin. Now, I really love this color a lot because it's like literally one of the colors that I like to use on like my nails. Just in general, it's a more like light mauve color. And I just really like this color. Like I've been obsessed with this color for the past couple years, like colors that look like this. So it's really pretty. So I definitely had to have this one. Okay, you guys, so I've decided just to use the Original Sin to show you guys and just demonstrate on how good this polish actually works and how it is. So right now I'm just starting off with the base. I'm going to go ahead and put that on my fingers. Also, guys, I am not a licensed cosmetologist. Like I suck at doing nails and I'm just trying to learn. So I will only be doing one hand for you guys on camera because me trying to paint my own left hand will definitely be a struggle. Yeah, so like I said, you guys, I definitely have chosen the Original Sin. Like I said, I just really like this color for myself on my nails. And so it's like I just think it's so pretty. So pretty. When it comes to nail polishes on my nails, I prefer like lighter colors, either nude or white or something like that. Sometimes I switch it up and I'll do something bright, but the original Sin, I just feel like I just wanted this. It's just giving what it needs to give. As well, you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and just let you guys know like why this partnership with Nail Addict was on point and just like right on time for me in my personal life. A couple months ago, the nail salon that I was going to, I had been going to since I moved to this city for like the past couple years. Had no issues. It was like, I mean, I thought it was like a really clean nail salon and everything, but clearly it wasn't. Because unfortunately, a couple months ago, they gave me a fungus on my toenails. So now I am in search of either a new nail salon or I'm going to become a pro at this nail thing for myself. Yeah, I was really honestly like disgusted with the situation. And so I was like really excited about this partnership with Nail Addict because I do want to learn how, to do my own at home manicures and pedicures, because that would be a great way for me to avoid that from happening again. Because like I say, you guys, the salon I was going to, I had been going there for a while and I had no issues. And it was like, I mean, to the eye, it appeared to be clean. It seemed like they were doing things right, but clearly they weren't. So, I mean, I was really sad about it. Like, it really like bothered me for a while because I had never had anything like that happen to me. And yeah, so I'm working on becoming a pro at this myself for now, you guys. Also, you guys, I did forget to mention in the beginning of the video that Nail Addict also has mini UV LED lamps on their website as well that you can use with their nail polishes, which I think is a wonderful idea because then you have the correct UV lamp to go with the polishes so that you can get the best results. So I love that they're just making everything so convenient for us out here to make sure that we have like really great gel manicure and pedicures at home. So be sure to check that out as well, okay? Also, you guys, let's get into how great this manicure is looking. I mean, like I said before, I am not a professional, but what I mean by great, let's get into the quality of this nail polish. Like, the quality is absolutely amazing. Like, I'm really impressed. So, good job, Nail Addict. I'm super impressed with the product. Everything's looking great. The only thing that needs to be better in this video are my skills, because I swear I cannot. I'm just really not that good at this, but I'm really trying my best. But hopefully over time I'll get even better. Also, you guys, I forgot to mention that the UV lamp does come with instructions letting you know like how many times that you need to let your nails dry under and how long as well. And it also comes with like this cord that you could use to hook up to like either your phone charger or you can use it on your laptop. Either way, it will be charged and your UV lamp will work with no problems. I currently just hooked mine up to my phone charger so that it would be charged, because it has to have like some type of charging connection in order for it to be powered on. So that's how it is. And it's honestly working perfectly fine. Like, I'm like super impressed by everything that Nail Addicts has sent over to me. All right, you guys, so I'm just going to go ahead and apply my top coat to this hand. And like I told you guys earlier, I'm not going to do both hands on camera. I'm going to actually go off camera to do the other hand because I just feel like I'm going to struggle doing my other hand because once again, like I said, guys, I am not a professional. All right, you guys, so I'm going to let this hand dry and then I'm going to paint my other hand off camera and I will be back to show you guys the final results. And you guys just be sure to check out the quality because Nail Addict has some really good quality here. Don't pay my lack of great skills any mind, and I'll be right back with the final results. All right, you guys, so here's the final product. They came out looking absolutely amazing. So I just want to thank Nail Addict once again for partnering with me on this video. If you guys are interested in shopping with Nail Addict, be sure to use my code according to Queen for 50% off. I'll be sure to leave that down in the description box. And I hope you guys really did enjoy this video today. And if you did, you guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Till next time, guys. Bye.